Good day everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make the XLR cable to the microphone or musical instrument. Okay, so you're supposed to have two plugs. One of them is male, this is the male one, and this is the female one. Okay, so what you're supposed to have, you're supposed to have two connectors, and you're supposed to have the wire for the musical instrument. Okay, so I use the tool to cut the wires, and I'm going to simply use this part of this tool in order to strip this rubber part of the wire. Just be gentle, because there is very tiny wire, some kind of shield, okay, which protects the signal from the noise. You're supposed to make sure that every single wire is going to be separated. They cannot touch each other. So simply move the shield on the side, twist it, now we're supposed to strip the white wire and red wire. It's good enough. Okay. Now we're supposed to take the solder . Beautiful. Next, basically we're supposed to do it first. Supposed to simply take this piece of the connector, okay, female or male, at this moment it doesn't matter, and put it first, but I forgot, so this time is also good to put this in. And next you're supposed to simply take this out, push this a little bit further. If it doesn't want to come out, you can use the tool to push it out. Okay, we have three terminals. I use the vise, small vise, in order to hold it. And the way how I solder it to the connector, I simply put my shield, okay, for the female. For the female, shield goes to the right side, okay, to this terminal over here. This is for the female. Okay, looks good. Now the red one goes to the opposite side of the shield, and the white one, it could be black as well, goes to the top. The thing is, some people connect white or black to the left and red to the top. It's up to you, but make sure that the other side you are going to keep the same pattern. So if you put the black, white or red to the top, on the male side it's supposed to go also to the top one. Okay, so I just solder it. That's good. And I have so if you are going to look at the connector itself, you see numbers 2, 3 and 1. 1 is shared, okay, and I call this number 2 is my hot wire, and number 3 I call cold wire. Okay, maybe it hasn't anything to do with the name of it, but I just call them like that. So this is my shared, this is my red, and this is my white. So on our side, we are going to see the numbers again, and we're supposed to keep the same numbers. So 2 has to go with 2, 3 has to go with 3, and 1 has to go with 1. So one more time, short is 1, cold wire I call it 3, and hot wire I call it 2. So next, we're supposed to put this connector together. Okay, now we're supposed to put this plastic in. This is something that would protect our connections. All right. And the female side is done. On the other side, we are going to use male. Let's check if it works. It works fine. Okay. Now, we're supposed to take the other side of the wire, and we are going to install the male connector. Again, you see the numbers 2, 3, 1. So we said red goes to 2, white goes to 3, and shared goes to 1. We're supposed to keep this pattern. Remember, shared goes to 1, 2 goes to red, and 3 goes to white. So again, I'm going to put this wire in first. Like this. I'm going to put this one first. All right. Now I'm going to strip this cable. To be very gentle, because it's very easy to cut this shield, cut the wires from the shield. We need them, don't cut them out. They protect our wire from catching the radio signals and in different kind of interference. So next I'm going to strip the red wire, and I'm going to strip the white wire as well. Okay, so we're ready for soldering. Now I'm going to solder these ports. Good. Good. Very good. So when you connect the male, you're supposed to make sure that this time the red wire goes to the right side. Okay, goes to this port. The white one goes to the top always. And the shell goes to port number 1 on the side. Alright. See the connection. It's good. It's going to work. Okay, now we're supposed to line up these 2 points. And put this in. So we have brand new wire to the microphone ready to use. If you like this video, please give us a like and consider subscription. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.